Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add vitamin D to your diet. We'll explore practical, step-by-step methods to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Understanding your options, from food to sunlight, is key to maintaining good health. Let's dive into simple adjustments you can make today to boost your vitamin D levels effectively and safely. It's easier than you think to make a positive change. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your meals is a delicious way to boost levels. Think about enjoying fatty fish like salmon or mackerel a few times a week. Many common foods, including milk, orange juice, and some cereals, are fortified with vitamin D, making them easy additions. Even egg yolks and certain mushrooms can provide a helpful amount. These dietary choices are foundational for increasing your intake naturally. Sunlight is a fantastic natural source of vitamin D. When your skin is exposed to the sun's rays, it produces this essential vitamin. Try to get about 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure a few times each week, depending on your skin type and location. Remember to do this safely, avoiding sunburn. This simple, free method can significantly contribute to your overall vitamin D levels. If diet and sunlight aren't enough, vitamin D supplements are a reliable option. It's always best to speak with a healthcare professional to find the right dosage for your individual needs. A common recommendation for many adults is around 600 to 800 international units per day, but this can vary. Supplements offer a convenient and effective way to ensure you're getting adequate vitamin D for your health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.